For decades humanity has explored the cosmos through the stunning visual imagery captured by NASA spacecraft. We are accustomed to seeing the universe as a silent gallery of breathtaking snapshots where galaxies glow and nebulae swirl in colorful dust. But there is a hidden dimension to this data that we are only just beginning to unlock. We can now experience the cosmos in a completely different way by turning this complex information into sound. This fascinating process is called data sonification. Kim Arcand, a visualization scientist at the Chandra X-ray Observatory, has helped pioneer this incredible technique of translating the digital universe into an audible symphony. One of the most dramatic subjects of this work involves black holes. The video you are watching showcases these mysterious giants. Despite their misleading name, black holes are not actually empty voids or simple holes in the fabric of space. They are actually huge concentrations of matter packed into incredibly tiny spaces. The gravitational pull in these regions is so intense that it prevents everything, even light itself, from escaping once it crosses the boundary known as the event horizon. These cosmic giants typically form when massive stars collapse at the very end of their life cycles, leaving behind a point of infinite density. Turning their data into sound helps us grasp their overwhelming power in a way that static images alone simply cannot convey. But how does this process actually work to turn a picture into a song? It is not about recording sound in space, because space is a vacuum where sound waves cannot travel. Instead, scientists take the digital data captured by telescopes, the ones and zeros that represent light and energy, and they translate them into audible frequencies. Often this involves scanning an image from left to right. As the scan moves across the cosmic landscape, the vertical position of the light might control the musical pitch, while the intensity or brightness of that light controls the volume. Kim Arcand collaborates with astrophysicist Matt Russo and musician Andrew Santagita, both of the System Sounds project, to create these cosmic symphonies. This is a true partnership of science and art where every sound represents real data. They carefully choose specific instruments to represent different kinds of light. For example, the high-energy data from X-rays might be heard as a soaring violin or a futuristic synthesizer, while optical data from the Hubble Space Telescope might be represented by softer string or wind instruments. This allows us to hear the full spectrum of the data together. The results are not only scientifically valuable, revealing patterns you might miss visually, but they are also deeply moving. Most importantly, sonification makes the universe accessible to people who are blind or have low vision, ensuring that the wonders of space are available to everyone.